hope you're all well. If you watched last week's TikTok challenge from Nikki Lily, I promised you that something epic is going to be coming, and it's finally here. This week's challenges are Rosie McClelland and Lily Bakes, and also her sister Brooke. So let's have a look at what Rosie has to say.
Hi Gracie, me and my cousin Lily Bakes are challenging you to do my new TikTok dance to my new song Tik Tok. Good luck!
So the girls have challenged me to do the new TikTok dance, which of course comes from Rosie McClelland's new hit single, which is amazing and we need to get it trending. But before we do that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. But before we get started, let's have a look at how Rosie does it.
Guys, I'm so excited for you guys to see my new music video for my latest song TikTok.
Wow Rosie, that is an amazing dance. Let's see how Lily and Brooke got on.
So come on, make your body tick tock. Come on, make your body tick tock. Come on, move your body, don't stop, don't stop. I can make your body tick tock. So come on, make your body tick tock, tick tock. Come on, make your body tick tock. Come on, move your body, don't stop, don't stop. I can make your body tick tock.
Great job girls, that was amazing. So like Lily and Brooke, I was lucky to see the dance before the hit single was released, and I've had a few times to practice, but I thought I'd give you a tutorial on how to do the dance. So let's get started. So I've got my camera set up with Rosie performing her TikTok dance, and speaking of Rosie, there she is. So step one is to bring your fingers towards you, like she's saying, come and let your body TikTok. And then you're going to put your arms in this position, and with this arm you're going to bring it round like a clock would do and do a clap. Then from there you're going to bring your leg up and clap underneath, bring your arms back up to a clap. So there's 3 claps in total. Then you're going to do like a sort of Harry Potter wand wave, and then you bring your arms like a wiggly worm. Woo! Then you're going to bring your arms to your chest and do a little wiggle. Like that, and then repeat that 2 times, and the TikTok is done. That is Rosie McClelland's TikTok dance. We've done it. So now let's start filming. Now it's time to start filming Rosie McClelland's TikTok dance to upload. That was perfect. Now let's upload it.
So come on, make your body tick tock, tick tock. Come on, make your body tick tock. Come on, move your body, don't stop, don't stop. I can make your body tick tock.
So guys, I can officially say that TikTok is my new favourite TikTok dance. And if you guys enjoyed the tutorial, head over to my TikTok account at Gracie Gosling and hit the like button. And whilst you're there, give my beautiful friends Rosie, Lily and Brooke a follow. So guys, that's it from me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as we've got another great challenge coming up next week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!